Hi everyone, want to slay your style and save money? Here's how to shop on Shein like a total pro, from hidden discount to a smart hacks. Let's get started. Before you check out, always apply a coupon code. Tap apply coupon and use their codes or search online for extra discounts. Then head to the flash sale section. Crazy low prices, update daily, but hurry, items sell out fast. Then join the Shein's point system. You can earn points for logging in daily, reviewing items, or checking in on the app. Points is equals to cash off. And filter items by the highest rated so you don't waste your time on low quality stuff. Read the reviews, and look for photo uploads. And the app opens have an exclusive deals, early access to sales, and add more coupon drops. Download it and turn on the notification. And now you're shopping Shein like a pro. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more budget fashion hacks. Thanks for watching.